Are you hurting your brain? Hello and welcome. Today we are giving you some tips how you might be hurting your brain. Our brains are a critical component of our bodies. Unfortunately, our brains can be damaged in a variety of ways, some of which are surprising. So, let's take a look at some of the ways a brain might be permanently injured. 1. Lack of exercise. We need to get some exercise. Yes, it's difficult, time-consuming, but it's necessary. It is required by our bodies. It is recommended that we exercise for at least 30 minutes each day. Aerobic exercise is a wonderful form of activity to concentrate on. Our brains shrink in size as we get older, by about 5% every 10 years. Taking supplements to improve memory. All those memory-boosting pills you see marketed all over the place? Typically, the only benefit they provide is to the manufacturer's profit margin. Unless there is evidence that a supplement is hazardous, the Food and Drug Administration does not follow up and analyze the research. So long as the supplement only causes minor harm to people, not enough to warrant FDA inquiry, it will most likely go unnoticed. Smoking cigarettes. People who smoke, on average, have a thinner cortex than those who do not smoke, according to research. Unfortunately, stopping doesn't totally solve the problem. Cortical thickness is still an issue. Too much alcohol. As you are surely aware, alcohol offers health benefits. Perhaps you consider this reality each time you pour another glass of wine or take another shot of whiskey. Unfortunately, as with anything, too much alcohol is harmful to your health. But how much is too much? According to studies, 2 drinks a day is the maximum amount that would not affect you. If we drink too much, high blood pressure, a stroke, or damage to the heart that leads to heart failure are all possibilities. Too much sugar. Sugar, in the form of glucose, is required by our bodies. Sugar is required by the brain, which is the body's most energy-hungry organ. The brain consumes half of the sugar required by the body. Too much sugar in the diet, in addition to causing weight gain, can cause the body to develop insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels in the body. It is for this reason that insulin is so critical for diabetics. Unfortunately, if sugar consumption alters insulin levels, this can alter how cells utilize and store sugar. 6. Lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation can impair the brain in the long run. Every night that sleep is not obtained is another night when the brain is unable to develop new memories or store necessary data. Depression can develop, which can exacerbate insomnia. Sleep deprivation can increase hunger, causing people to eat more, perhaps sweet, foods and develop fat. 7. Being a homebody. Did you know that socializing with family and friends is beneficial to your mental health? That is correct. Being social can help to improve your brain and reduce your chances of developing dementia. What's the deal with that? Positive social interactions promote mental health, which enhances our outlook and lowers our chance of depression. Actively engaging with others aids in the development of memory and other cognitive abilities. This kind of social interaction keeps your mind engaged. That's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video. We have placed some links in the description and don't forget to have a look.